What you will benefit from Holykell wireless sensors. Welcome to wireless IoT era. In this rapidly evolving market, our company offers cutting-edge wireless products that are designed to meet the growing need. The following will be of benefit to you. 1. Strong compatibility. Our sensors are compatible with multiple wireless communication frequency bands, allowing for global applicability. 2. Low maintenance and low power consumption. Holykell wireless series adopt automatic temperature compensation across all temperature zones, with a low failure rate, no frequent calibration. 3. Seamless data transmission. The communication terminal can withstand power or network failures and store data continuously and recover it. 4. Data security. Holykell Cloud Platform utilizes Alibaba Cloud Server, one of the world's leading cloud service providers. 5. Anti-interference capability. H2600 series are built to withstand interference. 6. Long battery life. The battery life lasts up to 5 years based on hourly data reporting. Contact us for more info about wireless products and solutions.